There he is. Yes, first cast with the crank. Oh God, Roy, get the net.
Where's the net?
It's in the. Got the wives in the background. We're at good old Clearlake. It's the bye weekend. We're trying to make something happen. We got a lot of goodies here. Look at. Peep the bag, though.
Peep the bag. No. Don't peep the bag. Folks at home, don't peep the bag.
Peep the bag, though.
Peep the new pickups from Mr. Lonnie Livers over here.
New pickups, man.
Come on, man.
That's the Outer Baron. Shimano.
Next up.
That Daiwa Steve.
Come on, man.
Sometimes
Ready
you
to
gotta
rock.
sometimes you gotta splurge on yourself, man. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's good to spend a little money here and there. Peep the goodies, though. Peep the goodies. Got a bunch of swim baits.
Yo, what?
All these swim baits, never caught a swim bait fish. That's how that's how it be. But little vlog style. We're in the Airbnb. We're gonna have to show you guys tomorrow. Nice view of the lake.
We're about to get on a nice swim bait bite right now. It is, what is it, 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock at night.
10 o'clock at night. We're going to get on a nice swim bait bite today. Right now, we're launching first thing tomorrow as well at around 6:30 or 6:45.
Yeah.
It's going to be a long day. Stick with us.
Tune in.
30 pounds.
Come on, man.
The water's low key steady, man.
Yeah. That's what Andy was saying, that it's like 2 feet visibility. He said that's why the bite's been so good.
Shit.
Don't you love when the bite's always just so nice until we come? I feel like it always works like that.
Just on us.
The bite is phenomenal until we show up. There he is. Yes, first cast with the crank. Oh God, Roy, get the net.
Where's the net?
It's in the. No, get off of that. I'm gonna take him around here. Come on, kid. Holy first cast.
4 or 5?
With the
He's
freaking
so
crank.
fat. He's so
Oh
fat.
my God.
Holy.
First cast with the crank.
Let's fucking go. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. First cast with the crank.
Let's go. Good shit, buddy. How big do you think that is? 4 or 5? It's fat.
Where's the first cast with the crank? Holy.
That's a solid 4 or 5 pounder. Yeah. He's so fat, dude. These fish are way healthier than Delta fish.
First fish of the trip. 485.
Come on.
Easy. There you go. There you go.
Was he shallow?
Huh?
Was he shallow?
Yeah.
Left or right?
What are you throwing?
Big? Left or right?
I don't know yet.
All right, folks, we are back with part 2. Part 2
Of the Clearlake trip. I'm about to strip down, take these sweats off because it's hot. Gonna throw square bill. Roy is throwing a jig. I just hooked my carpet.
Dude, you want to go left or right?
I want to cast right here. I want to go straight. See if we can have a better second half of the day.
When the guy said fish slow, I'm going to fish unbearingly slow. Like, that's what he's talking about? So you're going right, or you're going left. I'm literally going to fish unbearingly slow.
There's one.
You a smaller one? Yeah. It's alright.
That's a
There's
better
a start.
start.
Good start.
Come on. Little square bill action. Come on, bro. Tighten up. Give it.
I don't know. Mine started shooting out. I don't big fish like that, but literally just dragging it in the bottom. Figured since it's not windy, there's nothing, just gonna grab a jig, bro. Come to find out, second cast, boom. Right
Yes,
there.
square bill. There we go. A little square bill fish. Maybe a keeper. Probably a keeper.
Nah, it's a little bigger than the one I just caught.
For sure. Keeper. For sure 12. Thanks, buddy.
You think so?
Yeah, for sure 12.
There we go. That's a better start. Shoot.
I didn't make. Oh my god. And then that. After a good start.
Shout out Bill.
Dude, the bait. Wish you could see the bait.
It's outrageous. I used to be the crankbait king.
Facts.
I used to spam crankbait.
Facts. You used to always be cranking shit.
Yep.
Everybody's. You're known for cranking.
Yep. Ah, left the face wide to fuck open again.
Another like synonym for fish would be like slabs or meat, right?
Yeah.
So you're known for cranking meat.
Not today. Clearly you have been.
No, I'm just catching fish.
Oh, yeah? I'm wondering, like, is there really only like one in? There's only one fish in every.
Let me ask you something. I think I asked you the same thing, right?
Yeah.
This is gonna put it on probably the same perspective, but 40 fish day, 15-pound bag. 5 fish day, 25-pound bag.
40 fish?
40 fish day with a 15-pound bag.
Let me have a good time on the water. I had 15 pounds, very respectable. I had to grind for 25 pounds.
25 plus though.
Yeah, I had to grind for 25 plus. Yeah, I'm alright, bro. I ain't gotta compete no more. Now you tell me you give me 25 plus on a tournament day versus 40 fish. I'll take the 25 plus. But on a day like this,
Or you're just trying to have a little fun?
yeah, bro. Just trying to be out there, catch some fish.
There's one. Get the net.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He looks like he's fighting like crazy, bro. Oh, God. I can't stab at him. You have him hooked hella weird.
Swiped at it.
Yeah.
I'll take it though.
He seemed bigger. It's like a 2-pounder.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, like, get the net. I was like, oh, must be giant.
Dum, dum, dum. Swiped at it, swiped at it.
Must be a giant.
Damn, I should have weighed the first one. Or the keeper.
You have to review the footage.
Why?
I don't think your first one from the part 2 was a keeper.
It for sure was. I was gonna measure it even. It 1000% was. 12-incher for sure.
That's what I'm saying. We'll review it in the footage and let them get 12 inches and we can just go add that to the lead.
216. Well, it was, what's it called? The hook one.
All along this bank, like they should be pretty active.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Low light conditions. That's why I'm thinking if I really don't get smacked on this dirt, then I don't know, because this shit's a free meal to them. It's a dying fish right in your face. All you gotta do is open wide.
See, this is 15.
Talked to him about the jerk bait or what? He said that's a good fish. Once it gets cooler, that'd be a good fish. Yeah. He has it. He ate it exactly like the 5-pounder, like head first.
Good little fish. Probably like 2.
Actually, let's find out.
$2.53.
Thank you, bud.
we can maybe get on a strip.
All right, bro. Time to try this one.
Could be the one.
Damn, I grabbed hella swim baits from Bogues, or not hella, but I grabbed swim baits from Bogues for we did not use any of them. Didn't you say this spot's kind of good? Back to harbor.
Well, we just fished Canuck Bay.
Mm-hmm.
And then he said all of it.
Known to be a swim bait rig. Yeah. Come to find out that, yeah, it's just it's a square bill type of day.
I don't mind the square bill. I haven't caught fishing for
yeah.
As long as it's not freaking casting around a drop shot. As long as I'm power fishing. Like if we got on a fire like chatterbait bite.
I could look at that. I mean, you know it's not my favorite, but I can look at it. Probably have to be deeper out now.
Sitting in there.
Yep.
Nah.
I don't know. Yeah, and that's right. Oh, shit. Yes. Come on, man. Let's go finally. Yes. 2K. 2K, you did it. Come on.
Get the chatterbait, bro.
Yes. We finally did it, fellas. 300?
Yeah.
Three.
3.
3-ish pounder.
Put when you put it in a real. Oh my God! Look at him busting.
We have 18? No. I did it.
No.
383, fellas. Come on, let's go. Bah. See you later.
There's a small one.
Rat?
Yep.
You sure?
Yeah.
He's good.
They're all eating it front foot.
Which made me before we did beach.
Come on.
Did you wait?
But
Go measure.
you already have a 5.
But you don't know the weight. You don't know the weight.
It doesn't matter.
There's it. There's a little 2-pounder. He's more than a 2-pounder, buddy. I had a fucking boat flipped him.
You think he's touching 3?
No. Never mind. How did I see it? I think it's 2 something. Come on, fellas. Let's go. Chatterbait. Lock. 5.
Yeah.
Damn, son. We have 17. We have 16 for 5. Call out some of your 2-pounders. We'll be good. Come on, fellas. 3-pounder. Show them the release. Release? Here. Release? Yeah. And release the other one, too. I got you. There she go. There she go. Oh, brother. Don't do that, bruh. Dude. You had my fucking heart racing like I thought it was an 8. No. God, dang, bruh. I set the hook. You watched the video? It dragged me forward. It went, whoop. Holy. I'm sitting there like, oh my gosh. It's a Clearlake giant. Lord, he ate this fish. Another one. Is he calling? Maybe. 238, and he replaces 216. All right. 238. God, sorry about that. If you watch the footage back, you'll be. Oh God. Elevated. Bowling or not? I don't think that's chatterbait fish. I like chatterbaits. Dude, he's still fighting. Oh my God, he's still making a run. He might be calling, he might be calling, he might be calling. He's still fighting. Dude, still fighting. I'm dead serious. He's fighting the hell on. Oh, watch out. Oh, Mike. He's not even calling. Just another chatterbait fish. What's going on, folks? We forgot to take our outro video on the boat when we were on the water. Now we're just hanging out on the fire after a long day of fishing, eating some ice cream with the ladies. Ronnie's wife's recording us, Alyssa, and my lady, Brown, is over there eating ice cream. It was a fairly tough bite out there. As you saw, the first couple hours, we both had one fish each. Ronnie with a stud of a fish, he caught a 5-pounder. Took a little break, had to fix the boat a little bit, had some lunch, cooked some burgers. Shout out for the burgers, appreciate it. Got back out on the water, and then it didn't take till the last 2 or 3 hours of the day where we finally figured out a pattern and continued to catch
It was
good
really,
fish.
as soon as we got out there, really.
You, that's right.
Yeah, no, in all though, like as soon as we got back out for the second round, I think I had a fish on like the second cast.
Yeah, second cast
Yeah.
with the crankbait for you, and then you caught another crankbait fish. And y'all will see on the video, I was just sitting there complaining, not catching any fish, and then magically, Ronnie's like, just thug it out with a chatterbait. Boom. Hooks onto a 3.5-pounder, and then we just figured it out from there. We ended up with 16 and a half?
1672, I think.
1672. So it wasn't too bad, but we were hoping to get better. Tomorrow we'll be out again, bright and early. Check in with us. We'll try to get that video out as soon as this video is done too, and hopefully it's a 1v1 format. So appreciate y'all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.